on, so that can plant the rest of those potatoes, and I got that dirt and what's in there. So we're gonna put them right in front of the ladies and the man here. This actually goes right there. Plant some flowers there. The little soulmates. And then we have like a little potato field right there. And then there's a potato field right there. And then the rest of them are right there. So we're gonna have some potatoes, some white ones and red ones. Alright, let's get these ones in here. Alright. So I've already got some dirt. We had a plant in there. Alright, so let's bury some there. We're not going to bury them because there's not that much dirt at the bottom of there. But we're going to put dirt over top of them. And the biggest roots got to be down. Got to be down the biggest roots. Yeah, got to be down the roots. Alright. Let's see if we can get them all in here. I know you're supposed to have a little space in between them, but they're just going to be smaller potatoes. That's what happens. I just want to get them all in here. There's a big one. So they're going to be smaller potatoes because I'm doing this pretty close together. Two more. Okay. Seeds. Lots of seeds. All right. Let's get some dirt in here. Maybe we can move them around a little bit once we get the dirt in there. So then some of them can be above a little bit more. Let's loosen them up a little bit. There we go. I just wanted to get them out of the house. Alright, so there's these ones. Get that straight, a little more straighter. I wanted to put a little more on these ones. Might have used up all my dirt from last year to go get some more. Hopefully they come up for sale. On sale. Okay, now the last of it, I'm going to put that in here. Move it around. Oh, there's that. I forgot that has in there. Move it around. Okay. Alright. Let the rain get it today. I think we're going to get some rain. Perfect time to do this. Alright. Got my lighter. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for updates. Oh yeah, let's look at these. These babies coming up. Look at them all coming up there. And then look at all these guys. They're going to love that rain today. Look at them all. I planted them last year in the fall. Alrighty. It's going to be beautiful. Now I just got to clean up that mess here. Beautiful little yard.